Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can reset the explore page on your Instagram. So for that, we will change a few settings. So all you need to do is to tap on your profile, then tap on the three dots here. Then you need to scroll all the way down where you will see what you see section. And here you need to choose content preferences. Here, the first thing you need to do is to tap on the interested one. And here you will find the post that you are interested. All you need to do is to remove it one by one. The next thing that you need to change is the sensitive content. If it is set to standard or more, all you need to do is to tap on the less. This window will pop up and you need to tap on confirm. So the next thing you need to do is to go to the explore page itself by tapping on the search bar here. And here you need to find the content that you don't want to see. Suppose I don't want to see this content. Or suppose any video that you don't want to see in the future, suppose this one, all you need to do is to tap on the three dots here and tap on not interested. So this way you are telling Instagram that you're not interested in such post in the future, so that way Instagram algorithm will not show you such post in the future. So guys, these are a few ways that you can use and reset the explore page on Instagram. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.